Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayo? Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe para lagi po kayong updated sa mga magagandang projects dito po sa Bulacan. So ngayon ang i-feature ko ulit guys, syempre ang pinaka promising subdivision ngayon sa San Jose Del Monte Bulacan. Ang pangalan niya, Regent Heights, ang developer Pinnacle Realty and Development Corporation. Ang location niya po ay Barangay Poblacion, San Jose Del Monte, Bulacan. Malapit po siya sa San Jose sa munisipyo. Malapit siya sa Kaipian Road, pa starmall. One ride po siya sa lahat kasi along the highway po ang ating project. At ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung updated construction. Kasi dito guys, kapag ka mag-a-avail ka ng project dito, yung mga dapat mong tandaan is that yung pagpipilian na open slots, meron po tayong Block 10 and Block 12 na ongoing construction. So, makikita mo na nakatayo na pero hindi pa finished yung mga bahay. Siyempre, ongoing siya. So, yun yung may down payment na 6 months na lang. And then, meron tayong blocks na Block 15 and Block 16 na tapos na yung subdivision road. May kita mo na kung saan dun yung area, pero wala pang tinatayong unit kasi pre-selling siya. Kaya ang kanyang down payment 24 months mong huhulugan, 'di ba? Hindi naman nabago yung price. Ang minimum pa rin natin either block 10, 12, 15 or 16 is nasa 2.9 million yung inner unit. Okay? Ang naiba lang, kung block 10 at 12 na ongoing construction, hahatiin mo na lang kasi yung down payment niya sa 6 months, 'di ba? So medyo mataas na 70,000 plus per month for 6 months. Kasi nga, mas mabilis din siyang mate-turnover, 'di ba? Pero kung ang pipiliin mo naman, hindi ka naman masyadong nagmamadali, pwede ka sa Block 15 and Block 16 na 24 months pa yung down payment, 0% interest din naman, para nang sa ganun, hindi masyadong mataas yung monthly DP mo, nasa 17,000 lang. Tapos through Pagibig financing po tayo dito. Kung mag-i-in-house by request, pero may certain terms lang yon. And kung magbabank financing, self-application. Okay? Pero pag Pag-ibig, si developer ang magpa-process, submit lang tayo ng mga necessary documents. Okay po ba yan? Tara, let's check the project. Pag bumisita kayo dito guys, yung makakita nyo yung 4 na unit na yan, si dress up model, si turnover unit, si engineering office, tsaka si reservation office. Diyan tayo magre-reserve. Dito guys, ayan, galing ako dun. Puntahan natin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina guys. Ito kasi is an exclusive subdivision, 4.5 hectare lang, 400 plus units, so it's not gonna be crowded. So yun, nakakita nyo na yan guys, yan yung block 10 na sinasabi ko. Yung kalahati nun sa block na yun is open na siya. Yun yung mga ongoing na mabilis ma-RFO, kaya 6 na buwan na lang. So that's block 10, and then yan naman, yan si block 12. So medyo lapitan lang natin sila ng konti guys, diba? So, ito guys, si Block 12, 'di ba? Merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 na nakatayo dito sa side na to, facing here, and then meron din dun sa kabila, facing the other side. Yung Block 12 na yan guys, may mga very few inner units tayong natitira. Ito yung sinasabi kong ongoing construction, kaya 6 months na lang yung down payment. And then, to be confirmed, last time I checked the inventory, we still have an open combined lots here, which is ito. Dadaling ko kayo dyan. Pakita ko yan sa inyo kasi kung open pa yan, yan lang yung nag-iisang corner kasi na combined lots sa gusto ng malaking lot area. Kung hindi naman, okay lang sa yung inner unit, lahat naman dito may carport provision, then okay din yan guys. So ito guys yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, si Block 12. Si Block 12 na yan, may very few inner units tayong natitira. And then, if you are lucky, baka ikaw ay maka-avail ng nag-iisang combined lots dito, given na available pa siya. Basta kontakin nyo lang ako guys para ma-confirm ko para sa inyo if ever mauna po kayo. Madali lang naman yung requirements dito guys, tsaka 15,000 lang yung reservation. Ito kasing combined lots na to guys, halos doble ng minimum lot area na 50, so parang 100, 'di ba, in lot area. Yun doon kasi sa kabila guys, it's no longer available. Yung kabilang corner doon, nakuha na po yung isa kong client sa Block 12 na yan. And then, eto, ayan si Block 12. Ito yung kanyang, no, diba, subdivision roads. Yung sinasabi kong Block 15 and 16 guys, yun lang yun. Block 15, Block 16. Yun yung pre-selling natin na 24 months yung down payment. Kaya mas mura, 'di ba? Kasi ito yung 6 months na lang yung down payment eh. Yung ongoing construction na mas mabilis siyang ita-turn over. So, ayan siya guys, ongoing. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath pag natapos with carport provision, kahit inner unit na 50 square meter lot, 66 square meter floor area. Tapos complete finish turnover na siya, wala ka nang ipapagawa sa loob kasi naka-partition na yung 3 bedrooms mo. At ang ganda-ganda niya na rin guys, napakaganda sa lugar na to, napakaganda ng gagawin at plano sa project na to guys. So ito guys, I drove a little bit further. So maganda sa project natin guys, dahil maliit lang siya tapos along the highway siya, di mo kailangan ng tricycle eh. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ha, di ba kanina si Block 12, ayan lang si Block 12 guys oh. Tapos ito lang yung lakad mo, entrance gate na natin yan. So walking distance lang siya from the main gate, kahit Block 15 or Block 16 yung makuha mo dito. Halos ubos na po si Block 15 tsaka si Block 16 by the way guys. So kung makakahabol kayo, try your best, 'di ba? Just contact me as soon as possible. Ito pinapakita ko na to, ito si Block 15 ha. Block 15 and then Block 16. Mga umaasa po ng corner dito, hindi ko lang sure kung yan doon sa Block 15 na isa is available pa. Pero yun na lang kasi nag-iisa last time I checked. Sold out na rin po. Okay po, pag corner ha, tsaka end, sold out na. Halos talaga. So mga inner, baka may 2 o 3 pang natitira, not sure kasi syempre kailangan natin kunin yung updated inventory. So kontakin nyo kaagad ako guys kung interesado kayo, and if you are earning at least 50,000 basic salary per month, solo or combined income, halimbawa combined income kayo, may co-borrower or mag-asawa or whatsoever, tig 25,000 yung basic salary nyo, pasok na po kayo dito, pwede na kayo maka-avail. So Block 15, Block 16, 15, ayan na, Block 12 yung sinabi ko kanina. So ito guys, ang maganda dito sa project natin, flood-free location siya. Tapos may amenities tayo, 24/7 security, may clubhouse, may parks and playgrounds, magkakaroon ng jogging trail here, magiging aesthetic yung view na yan dyan. And then of course, magandang covered court. At mayroon tayong commercial shop sa harap ng entrance gate natin. So nakikita nyo naman guys, walking distance siya sa lahat. Kung kung Block 16 or 15 man makuha mo, walking distance siya. Hindi siya malayo. Kasi nga, konti lang yung units dito, 400 plus lang naman kasi yung itatayo. So guys, isisingit ko na rin sa video na to guys, yung kuha ni developer sa akin with their own videographer, yung para makita nyo yung actual turnover unit tsaka yung dress up model unit. So panoorin nyo siya guys, at sana mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko, at sana matulungan ko kayo, OFW, locally employed or business owner, you know, with certain requirements. Matutulungan ko kayo magkaroon ng bahay at lupa dito sa Regent Heights, sa San Jose Del Monte Bulacan, or saan mang parte ng Bulacan na kailangan nyo, since hawak ko naman buong Bulacan. So I hope to see you all soon guys. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and of course Happy Holidays everyone. Thank you so much. Just contact me if you need anything. My number 0956-025-1779. My messenger link is in the description below. So I hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much again. Hi everyone, my name is Nicole, and today I'm super excited to introduce to you one of the most promising subdivision here in the rising city of San Jose Del Monte, Bulacan. If you are looking for an affordable house and lot that's complete finished with carport, we are going to introduce to you to Regent Heights by Pinnacle Realty and Development Corporation. This is a strategic location because we are very close to the future MRT7 and Starmall and SM Tungko. The project is a complete finished townhouse that is 50 square meter in minimum lot area. And our floor area is a total of 66 square meters. And today, I will show you our turnover unit and also our model unit. So upon entering our model unit, you can see that we have a little space here as your hallway. This is going to be your living area, and here you can place your dining table or dining area. The kitchen is already with tiles and cabinet underneath. It also has a sink and this one. And the tiles is 60 by 60. As you can see, the color of our tiles is neutral, and as well as our paint. This is already complete finished, and the electrical wiring as well as the switches and outlets are all included in the turnover of this unit. The first toilet and bath also is complete fixtures with shower and sink. We also have a very spacious service area, as you can see from here, and the partition is also included in the turnover of this unit. Let's go upstairs and check the 3 bedrooms. So here at the second floor, you will notice that we have a very high ceiling, perfect for a chandelier. And we also have 3 spacious bedrooms. This is our bedroom number 1. If you have a big family, you can put your children's bedroom here. But if you have a small family and then you're working from home, you can make this as your office space. And this is our bedroom number 2. For the bedroom number 2, you can see that it's very spacious. A double bed or a queen-size bed could fit in this. And this part here, you can customize your own closet or cabinet. The master's bedroom, you can put your customized closet in this area. And you also have 2 small sliding windows in your master's bedroom. And the good thing about this project, guys, we have a toilet and bath at the second floor. So guys, now I'm going to show you our dressed up model unit. But before that, I want to emphasize that our inner unit for this project has a carport provision. So as you can see from the outside, a hatchback or a small sedan can fit in this lot area because we have a minimum of 50 square meters. Let's go inside and check our dressed up model unit. As you enter the door, you have this small hallway as I showed you from our actual turnover unit. So if you put some furniture, guys, this is how it's going to look like. You can put your living area or sofa in this side, and on the other side, you can have a 6-seater dining table. Diba? Very spacious talaga siya. And if you want, you can also add some partition here to put your television. And here, our kitchen area, as I mentioned, we have included the cabinet for the kitchen. And here is the dressed up of our toilet number 1. It's really spacious. And this is our service area or laundry area. It's very spacious. Plus, this partition that is taller than I is also included in the turnover of this unit. Let's go and check our bedrooms upstairs. So here, I'll show you our 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, perfect for your kids. Let's see here. Or you can make it as your home office. And our bedroom number 2, this is not yet our master's bedroom, but others feel like they can make this their master's bedroom because it's also spacious. So there, and then this is for inspiration, you can put a customized closet or closet here. And let's go to the master's bedroom. So, yung hallway natin maluwag pa siya, kaya pwede pa tayong maglagay ng ganito. So, imagine if you're going to remove this, mas magiging maluwag pa siya. And our master's bedroom. So guys, napakaganda at napakalaki ng ating master's bedroom. At mas malaki ang pwede mo ma-customize na closet para sa iyong bedroom. Katulad nito. Pag nilagyan mo kasi guys ng mirror, katulad niyan, parang nagmumukha siyang mas malaki. Kaya you can also do this kind of style or design in your own bedroom. And of course, let's not forget that here we have two toilet and bath. For second floor, this is your toilet and bath. Shower, come here. So you have a shower here in this part. And this is your toilet and bath and the sink. Regent Heights is perfect for BPO employees, young professionals, and overseas Filipino workers who wants to have their future house and lot in the prime location of San Jose Del Monte Bulacan. This is an exclusive subdivision with amenities like multi-purpose hall, basketball court, a jogging trail, and parks and playgrounds. And our starting price for this project is only 2.8 million as an introductory price. That's a limited offer. So if you want to have a site inspection or if you want to know more about this project, just contact me directly. My number is below. If you want a property that would continue to appreciate in value, this is the best investment for you. So again, my name is Nicoll and I hope to meet you in person and tour you here at our promising project in San Jose Del Monte, Bulacan.